Hello students, how are you? I am Vijay and we will complete our 6th unit, that is test and measurement in sports. This is the last topic of this chapter, Rickley and Jones. This is the test for senior citizen fitness test, and this test is very beneficial for our senior citizen persons, and it's a useful test completing the 60 years. After 60, it's test very mandatory for each and every senior citizen. This test is also known as Fullerton functional test. Fullerton function test for the senior citizen, and this test developed by Rickley and Jones, as we discussed. And this test designed in 2001 for the senior citizen. In senior citizen test, or we can say Rickley and Jones test, it's a series of the programs or different kind of test for the senior citizen of different type of components involved in these tests, like and this is the test to measuring the lower body strength, to measuring the upper body strength, to measure the flexibility, endurance, and stretchability, we can say, mobility and flexibility, as well as to judge the coordinative ability as well as agility. This test is very important for all these kind of components to judge by the trainer as well as to judge by the coaches. And what is the reason to behind perform this test? Actually, it's simple way. If especially we talking about the foreign countries, whenever any senior person they're going to join any kind of fitness classes, they trainer, they must be first check the ability of that particular person and then provide the load or exercise to that particular person. But in India, it's different kind of things. ये ऐसा सोचा ही नहीं जाता है कि पहले उस पर्टिकुलर पर्सन को जज किया जाए, चेक किया जाए, देखा जाए कि उसकी बॉडी की कैपेसिटी, कैपेबिलिटी कैसी है, किस लेवल की है, और व्हाट काइंड ऑफ लोड ही और शी कैन बियर. This is the main thing, and this is the main reason to design of this test for only the senior citizens, because it's a natural phenomena. Because when age increasing, so automatically some body components decrease automatically, whether strength, endurance, flexibility, coordinative ability, agility, endurance, all these components goes down. यानी कुल मिला के अगर हम बोलें तो जो सीनियर सिटीजन है हमारे, उनकी जो बॉडी की ये कंपोनेंट्स हैं, ये ऑटोमेटिकली एज बढ़ने के साथ साथ डिक्रीज होते चले जाते हैं. तो लेट्स डिस्कस दीज टेस्ट इन अ सीरीज. एंड वन मोर थिंग, दिस इज वेरी significance to safe plan for the senior citizen, as well as with the help of these exercise programs for senior citizen, to just find the health or fitness level with the help of all these tests. Let's continue the test. Our first test is the chair strength test. Chair strength test. This is the first test of senior citizen. The purpose of this test: purpose is very clear. In this test, they maintain the or measuring the lower body strength, to measure lower body strength of senior citizen. In this test, person perform some particular activity in this test, and with the help of that particular equipments, we have required some equipments in this activity to conduct. During this test, we need one chair. This chair must be 44 centimeter. This is the height, and need one stopwatch. To checking the time, because this is the repetition activity as well as this is the time activity, time bound activity, and some instructions also for the participants. These are very important instructions. First of all, before performing this test, participant must be understand he or she perform some warming up activity to prepare the body muscles to prepare mentally or physically for this activity, and he or she must be wear comfortable clothes, as well as he or she cannot wear the heel shoes, means he should be wear flat shoes to perform this activity, and participant must be sit with the erect back for performing this activity. And this is the time activity, that is 30 seconds. 30 seconds must be perform this activity, because this is the time activity. Why? Because this is the time task, this is the challenge to completing the activity, and with the help of this time, trainer or coach can understand the ability or strength of that particular person. Because see, this is the chair, this is the chair for the senior person, and senior person just start the up and down on this chair, means he will be set on the chair with the erect back, and after getting the command of start, he will start just up and down. And one more thing, senior citizen must be understand, because he cannot lose the hands. This is participants or a senior citizen, he or she should keep his hand or her hand on the opposite shoulder, close at the wrist. This is very important. This is the main task of this test. After that, the scoring. It's very easy. Whatever the time task, completing the number of repetition, how many up and down, completing by the senior citizen, it's noted by the trainer, and after that completing the activity, whatever the score of that particular person, it's measured with the chart. That is the chart or rank given by that particular rules according to this test, according to age and man and woman, that is the gender. It's depend on the age. If there is like 60 to 65, one person perform this activity and another is the 80 plus, then automatically it will be repetition, number of repetition changes in these both of person. क्यों? एक कौन सा है? एक आपका जो 60 to 65 है and another is the 80 plus. तो दोनों की जो परफॉर्मेंस है ऑब्वियसली उसमें चेंज आएगा. जो आपका 80 प्लस है उसकी जो नंबर ऑफ रिपीटेशन है वो कितनी होंगी? वो लेस होंगी, वो कम होंगी कंपेयर टू 60 to 65. इसकी ज़्यादा होंगी बिकॉज ही इज़ दी यंग कंपेयर टू 80 प्लस. तो दिस इज द पैरामीटर ऑफ द स्कोरिंग एंड दिस इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टेस्ट. अगेन आई एम रिपीटिंग टू जज टू मेजर द लोअर बॉडी स्ट्रेंथ, दैट इज द hamstring, calf muscle. And one more thing, it's indirect way, senior citizen must make the balance also. This is also because balance word is hide here, but this is very important because when he will start the up and down, so balance is also a matter in this activity. Second test, this is the arm curl test. This is the second test, arm curl test. This test to measure this test is very helpful to measure the upper body strength because if we can check or judge the senior citizen, then how it's quite tough to measure the upper body strength. That is the strength of shoulder, arms and triceps, biceps also. This is the measurement of the muscle strength actually, and this is very important to judge to performing any kind of activity. This is the main purpose of this activity, and to assist that with the help of this arm curl test, to assess the upper body strength as well as endurance also. It's not a question about the strength, only strength judged by this test. Endurance also important because whatever the task, that is the weight, this is very important equipment. Main thing is that is the equipment. Five-point weight for women and 8-pound weight for men. This is the main thing because without the actual parameter of the weight we cannot perform this thing. Main thing is that. So with the help of weight, that is the particular weight of dumbbell, we have to given the task to the senior citizen, and then we can judge the strength of the arm as well as the number of repetition. It's depend on the endurance, कितनी देर तक कर सकता है. मेन जो सबसे मेन टास्क है, ये आपकी टास्क है. एंड इट्स टास्क अंडर द टाइम कैटेगरी, बिकॉज दिस इज द टाइम एक्टिविटी ऑल्सो. This is main thing. Now second requirement of equipment, stopwatch. Stopwatch. Also we have need to conduct this test, and one chair, because senior person or senior citizen sitting on that particular chair, and then he will be start the activity on the chair. In arm color test, coach or trainer, after they provide that particular weight, and then he will given the command to that particular person to start the command. Then after getting the command of start, then they will be start the number of repetition, and they must be hold the weight in single hand. It's not about of both hand. One by one he will be check the both of muscles, but one by one. यानी दोनों हाथ एक साथ वेट नहीं देंगे, एक हाथ में ही वेट होगा. एंड देन he or she start the number of repetition count by the trainer, and he must be follow the time also. Time, that is 30 seconds. This is the main task of this team, and it's calculate by the scoring. Then he or she will check with the chart. That is the main rank about the gender. After that, there's 3 category in a particular gender, like man gender and woman, it's equal, but below average, average and above average, these 3 category for both of gender. And it's depend on the particular time also, कि कितने टाइम में कितनी नंबर ऑफ रेपिटेशन करेंगे, यानी मैक्सिमम रेपिटेशन इन minimum time. This is the main task of this test, and this is very important test. Now our third test, chair stand test. Chair sit and reach test. This is the third test or program of the senior citizen test, and the purpose of this test, as we know, chair sit and reach test, yani first of all the senior citizen will sit on the chair, and then he or she will be start. It's mean to measure the lower body, flexibility. With the help of this test, to assess or to measure the flexibility of lower body, which is very important for a good posture, as well as to make the correct posture, and to assist or to check the mobility of that particular part, that is related to flexibility. If mobility maximum, then automatically he or she can reach easily to for the task. जो particular जहाँ का जितना वो दिया हुआ होता है उस तक पहुँच सकते हैं, और अगर जितनी बॉडी की मोबिलिटी कम होगी उतनी ही आपकी बॉडी की फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी भी कम होगी. इट्स सिंपल थिंग. नाउ रिक्वायरमेंट ऑफ इक्विपमेंट. Some equipment we have to require to conduct this test. Again, one chair, that is 44 centimeter, and one measuring tape, one measurement tape to just check the distance between the arm or feet. Now let's discuss the procedure. The participant sit on the chair with erect back, and what is the task in this thing? One foot should be remain flat. एक पैर जो है वो बिल्कुल सीधा होगा. Another leg is the fold, extend होगी, पीछे होगी, and with the help of hands, and this foot should be stand on heel. जो पैर है वो heel पे खड़ा होगा, and another feet make the 90 angle of the leg, and with the help of fingertips participant try to touch the feet. जो participant है, जो ये participant है, वो एक ऐसी चेयर है जिस पे बैठा हुआ है. See, now in this chair participant is sitting, and see now पहले वो कैसे सीधा बैठा हुआ है, बट राइट नाउ ही विल बी ट्राई, ऐसे ही पैर गया उसका. अनदर फिट इज सिंपल 90 एंगल, ऐसे और ऐसे रखा हुआ है, एंड अनदर फिट, दिस इज द अनदर फिट, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ आर्म ही जस्ट ट्राई टू टच द फीट. दिस इज द टेस्ट. इट्स नॉट ए इशू कि इट्स मैंडेटरी ही कैन टच, कि करना ही है या कर सकता है वो. नो, whatever the gap we must be measure with the help of tape. यानी मान के चलो कि सीनियर सिटीजन के हाथ सिर्फ यहीं तक आए, तो यानी ये पैर हैं और ये हाथ, इसके बीच का जो गैप है ये चेक कर लिया जाएगा. दिस इज द गैप बिटवीन द फीट और हैंड. यानी ये क्या है, इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी पर्सन की कम है, यहाँ तक पहुँचना था, नहीं पहुँच पाया. इट्स सिंपल थिंग. ओके, दिस इज द टेस्ट, एंड विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्कोरिंग they will be judged that particular result with the help of chart. This is the test for just checking the flexibility. I am repeating again. Now let's continue for fourth test, back stretch test. जब हम बात करते हैं stretching की, that is the represent to the flexibility. Main thing is that. Purpose of this test, what is the purpose behind this test? To measuring the upper body, or we can say shoulder, flexibility, coach or trainer, the main purpose is very clear, to measuring the upper body or shoulder flexibility. It's very simple, because with the help of back stretching, how we can conduct and what type of equipment we have required. First of all, we will discuss the equipment. One ruler, or we can say tape. One tape we have required to just measure the gap. See, the procedure is very simple. In this test, performer or senior citizen just stand in standing position and keep one hand behind from the head, or another is the lower side. यानी पहला एक ऊपर से, कहाँ से, हेड के पास से ऊपर से लेके जाएंगे, और दूसरा हाथ कहाँ से रखेंगे, नीचे की साइड से लेके जाएंगे. एंड जस्ट ट्राई टू शोल्डर एंड रीच एज फर एज, यानी जो शोल्डर है उसको नीचे पहुंचाने की कोशिश करेंगे जितना आप स्ट्रेच कर सकते हो, ऊपर और नीचे वाला हाथ दोनों को. दिस इज द टेस्ट टू जस्ट फाइंड आउट द फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी ऑफ बोथ शोल्डर. नीचे से जा रहा है जो शोल्डर और ऊपर से, दोनों की चेक करना है. एंड पाम शुड बी टच टू दी बॉडी, जो हथेली है, जो पाम है, वो आपकी जो बॉडी है उससे टच होना चाहिए, उठा हुआ नहीं होना चाहिए. एंड द फिंगर शुड बी यूनी डाउनवर्ड, जो ऊपर वाला हाथ है उसकी फिंगर है कौन सी उठी हुई है वो भी टच होनी चाहिए, डाउनवर्ड नीचे की तरफ होनी चाहिए. दिस इज द मेन पैरामीटर टू चेक दिस टेस्ट एंड मेजर द डिस्टेंस बिटवीन द टिप्स. हाउ they will be check the things, yes, he test going correct or not. They must be check the distance between the tip of the finger, यानी दोनों हाथों की जो फिंगर हैं वो आपस में टच हुई या नहीं हुई एक दूसरे में जब ऊपर नीचे से हाथ गया. एंड वॉट एवर द गैप बिटवीन बोथ ऑफ फिंगर्स, इट्स रिकॉर्डेड और राइट डाउन बाय द ट्रेनर. ये जो गैप है, दिस इज द लैक ऑफ फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी, ये कमी है फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी की उस गैप में. एंड सपोज both of finger touch to each other, there is no gap between the both of finger, then score is negative, यानी कुछ आया नहीं, 0. दैट इज, ये मान के चलो एक हाथ ऊपर से आया ऐसे ऐसे करके, दूसरा नीचे की तरफ से गया और दोनों एक दूसरे से टच हो गए ये हाथ ऐसे करके. इट्स मीन जब टच हो गए कोई गैप नहीं बचा, इट्स मीन रिकॉर्ड इज स्कोर इज नेगेटिव, क्योंकि 0 यानी कुछ गैप ही नहीं है. एंड सपोज एक और चीज़ है, ऐसे करके हाथ आया यहाँ से, फिर एक ऐसे हाथ गया ऐसे ऐसे, अब ये जो गैप बचा है दोनों के बीच का, ये ऐसे ऐसे आए और यहाँ से भी आए ऐसे करके, ये अब ये जो दोनों हाथों का गैप है यहाँ से और यहाँ तक वाला गैप, इट्स रिकॉर्डेड बाय द ट्रेनर, यानी ये गैप जो होगा ये चेक किया जाएगा. ये गैप जितना ज़्यादा होगा उतना ही आपके पॉइंट्स होंगे. पॉइंट्स इन द अनदर मैनर, कौन से ये पॉइंट्स जो हैं इसमें नुकसान वाले हैं, यानी ये पॉइंट से पता चलता है कि इतने इंच का गैप है, यानी इतनी फ्लेक्सिबिलिटी कम है. इट्स ए सिंपल थिंग. नेक्स्ट टेस्ट, दैट इज द 5th test. This is also a very easy test and a very important in related to day-to-day life. 8 foot up and go test. इन नाम से ऐसा लग रहा है, यानी 8 फुट अप एंड गो टेस्ट. 8 पैर स्टेप चलने हैं खड़े होके इस टेस्ट में. और मेन थिंग इज दैट टू पर्पज ऑफ दिस टेस्ट purpose to measure the agility and coordination. Main purpose of this test, 2 things measure in this test. One is the agility, another is the coordination of the body and coordination to make the balance of the body. Main thing is that, and in this test, the test helpful to evaluate the speed also. Speed, agility, balance of person, to how he or she will move in this test. There are important factors. 3 things are very important, that is the speed, another is the balance of body, agility, coordination, speed and balance. 4 things, yani this activity depend on all 4 things. After getting the command of go to quickly, senior citizen will start. This is the main thing. And what is the requirement of equipment to conduct this test? We have required 1 chair, of 44 centimeter. This is the comfortable for senior citizen. Now stopwatch, and third thing is the measuring tape. Cones required. See, in this test, these are the equipment trainer required to conduct this test: chair, stopwatch, measuring tape and cones. See how it will be start. Again I am saying, suppose this is the chair, and senior citizen will sitting here, and after that automatically we know this test, the name 8 feet, yani 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, and this is the location of cone is here, yani senior citizen will take the round around the cone के चारों तरफ राउंड लेगा. he will start the task from here and he will be again come back on the starting point to finishing the task. जब उसको टास्क खत्म करनी है, तो यानी सबसे मेन जो चीज़ है वो क्या है कि जो टास्क है वो आपकी जो टाइम टास्किंग है, दिस इज द टास्क फॉर टाइम, 30 second time, and within 30 seconds he or she must be completing the task and report again to the starting point. And it's shown the flexibility of that particular person, speed, agility and coordinative ability. And one more thing that is already we have discussed about the balance. These 4 components play very vital role to completing this task, and after completing the task, whatever the minimum time, and in minimum time to completing the task, trainer will check the scoring with the help of chart, and he getting the actual result about the fitness of senior citizen. So this is very important task, and maybe you can understand now. Last activities also remain, then we will discuss. 6th activity, this is 6 minute walk test. This is the last activity of this program. The purpose very easy. If we can listen the 6 minute, we people think yes, it's an easy task, but it's easy for us. But right now we are discussing just senior citizen, and we just judge the function body or fitness of the senior citizen with the help of 6 minute test. Just find the aerobic fitness or endurance to measure. Fitness of senior citizen and endurance of the main purpose to measure the fitness or aerobic endurance of senior citizen. With this test, a lot of daily task attach. How? Suppose he or she to able to catch the bus very easily, he can go for morning walk, jogging walk in the regular basis, then this is also important. But here is the aerobic word is here. What is aerobic? Whatever work we are going to perform with the requirement of maximum oxygen. To maximum oxygen we are required in aerobic. How? Like running, constant running. We have required aerobic activity. And suppose we are going for long distance workout like jogging. We are going for half kilometer jogging. Then this is the requirement of maximum oxygen to inhaling or exhaling. This is main task. So if our senior citizen able to perform these tasks, this is very important. And how we can judge? With the help of this test, 6-minute walk. They will start constant walk till completing the 6 minutes. What type of equipment we have required? We are required some equipment like one stopwatch, another thing that particular area to measuring tape, to measure the and see what type of arena we have to required. His two option. Suppose we have the measured track, then okay. This type of track, so already we know and we easily find out the measurement. Okay. These person cover by these type of distance, यहाँ से यहाँ तक इतने तरह का distance किया, यहाँ से यहाँ किया, whatever. लेकिन suppose we don't have the track, then what we can do? See, 20 multiply 5, यानी 20 by 5 yard requirement the area. This is the 5 yard and this is the 20 yard. And in this area, person will start the walking, senior citizen, and time also in the same manner. And suppose we just find out that particular person ki how much time he or she cover, that is the fix 6 minutes. This is very important. Yani under 6 minutes senior citizen must be complete this distance, and this is the distance in meter. We can say 45.72 मीटर. तो इस एरिया को सीनियर सिटीजन को 6 मिनट में कंप्लीट करना होता है. जो मेन उसकी टास्क है वो ये काम कहाँ आती है, ये सबसे ज़्यादा अच्छा. कहीं भी कोई भी वर्क करना होता है, सीनियर सिटीजन को फास्ट चलना है, जॉगिंग वॉकिंग करनी है, ये जो सबसे पहली बेसिक चीज़ है. अगर जो सीनियर सिटीजन हैं, जब किसी ट्रेनिंग के लिए भी कहीं फिटनेस सेंटर में या कहीं भी जाते हैं, तो सबसे पहली और बेसिक रिक्वायरमेंट क्या होती है, उनकी बॉडी की एफिशिएंसी को चेक करना. विद द हेल्प ऑफ रिकली एंड जॉन्स टेस्ट एंड सीनियर सिटीजन टेस्ट, coach or trainer easily can find out all these components, and after the judging that particular person, he or she will be given the task to that particular person, and that particular senior citizen can utilize that particular activities without any fatigue, without any tiredness, and he can improve the components of all components, that is strength, endurance, flexibility, speed, coordinative ability, agility, body balance and all. तो ये सबसे ज़्यादा इम्पोर्टेंट जो 6 टेस्ट की अभी हमने बात करी, ये सीनियर सिटीजन की जो पूरी बॉडी को, ओवरऑल बॉडी को फिट करने में और उनकी एफिशिएंसी को फाइंड करने में हेल्प करते हैं. नाउ वी हैव कंप्लीटेड आवर 6th unit of physical education, and in tomorrow class we will continue the next chapter.